Hello, welcome to the scrapyard. I'm Red. Just a quick little update. As you can see, I've got some color down on it. I still got to sand it again, and then put my transparent amber on it. What I did here, I'm still going with this, right? But I put magnets on it, and I found this material here. It's got a nice canvas texture on it. I figured I'd do that, and I might have both tongue covers to be able to do one like that with the surfboards. But and have the original type on there too. The tuck and roll come out pretty good. Not bad for a first attempt with it. Um, it works really well. It's especially good at pulling up over the contours. The actual texture stayed on there pretty, stayed on there really nice. Now I got to get a better camera. I know that looks fuzzy. I'm sorry. That's just the camera I got. But anyway, it's coming right along. Um, I wanted to get a little bit more done, but been kind of a busy couple of days for me. But anyway, that's that. Like, subscribe, leave a comment. You know the drill. I mean, hit the bell, make it ring, all that kind of good stuff. Y'all have a good night, and I will talk to you later. Bye bye.